Thanks for downloading the Move More app. This short demonstration video is designed to help you understand some of the features of the app to help increase your physical activity. When you first open the app, you'll see in front of you your active minutes score. Now, the way the phone tracks activities, it pulls down data from your native tracking technology within your phone. And so what you might find is when you open it is that it immediately downloads some physical activity. If you then want to increase your physical activity, there's a number of ways that you can do that. If you go for a walk or a run, just take your phone with you and the Move More app will automatically track the amount of physical activity that you have done. If you want to go for a bike ride or a swim, there are a number of features built within the app that will help you to track your physical activity whilst you do so. The first way is to use the timer feature. And you access the timer feature by pressing the little plus button at the top right, and you'll get this menu that pops up. Select timer, and that takes you through to a stopwatch. Simply press play on the stopwatch and it will set the timer running. When you've finished, press pause or stop and you'll get a little pop-up that asks you, do you want to add these minutes to your total? Click yes and confirm, and that takes you back to the central minutes. If you want to add a bout of minutes, if you've been swimming for example, you can do that by pressing the plus button. The menu again will pop up, choose minutes, and it takes you through to this minutes screen. Simply key in the amount of minutes that you've done, press done and confirm, and that takes you back to the main menu. Pull down the app to refresh it and your minutes will be added to the total. If you want to add some steps, let's say you have a pedometer and you want to add in your steps manually, simply click the steps option from the plus button, type in the number of steps that you've completed, so 3,000 in this case, press confirm, and then that will be converted into minutes. 100 steps equals 1 minute. Pull down the app to refresh it and that will be added to your total. The other way that the Move More app tracks your physical activity is by syncing wearable devices such as Fitbits or Strava. Click the profile and preferences, then the syncing option in the menu, and that will take you through a process for syncing your device or preferred app. One of the other things that the app will do is show your history for the last 7 days. To do that, you click on the active minutes in the center of the app. That takes you through to a separate page and you can scroll through the last 7 days of minutes of movement. Within the app, you can also join challenges like the Workplace Challenge. Simply click on the picture of the Workplace Challenge, find your organisation either by scrolling down the list of organisations or using the search bar. When you found your organisation, simply click on it and that takes you through to the teams that are registered as part of that organisation. You can also create a team by clicking Create Team at the bottom, and that takes you through a process where you can input the name of your team and then invite others. If your team name is already there, click on that team name and you'll get a confirmation to say that you have joined that team. And the same process is for the Steel City Derby. And that's all there is to it. Thanks again for downloading the app and being part of Sheffield's ambition to become the most active city in the UK.